Let's see this question. Two PN junction diodes D1 and D2 are connected as shown in the figures. Here D1 and D2 is there. It is connected. A and B are input signals. Here A and B are input signals. Here A and B is given. These are the input signals. And C is the output. Here it is output. The given circuit will function as. So here is asking whether the given circuit will act as a OR gate or an AND gate, NOR and AND gate. So now we will try to understand how to solve this question. So in this, if you observe this one, here VDC is given as 5 volt. VDC is how much? 5 volt is given. Now you tell me, for example, if there is no current across the resistor, if there is no current, that means I is equal to 0 if I will write. If there is no current across the resistor, there is no potential drop here. If there is no potential drop, here the potential is 5 volt. So here 5 volt and here also 5 volt. That means if I is equal to 0, VC is maximum potential we are getting. Maximum potential. I will write maximum. Generally we know when we are using diodes, the maxima, minima is represented by 1 and 0. So here VC is maxima, which means 1. Now see, for example, here when there is some current, I is not equal to 0. When there is some current in the resistor, then absolutely there should be some potential drop. Here 5 volt is there. So depend upon the value of I, here some potential drop will be there. So when potential drop is there, so VC is less than 5. VC is less than 5 volt. That means here, if I is not equal to 0, so VC will be minimum refers here it is 0. I hope you are understanding, right? Now see here, just try to understand. If there is current in the resistor or current across the resistor, VC is minimum. If there is no current across the resistor, so VC will be maximum. So now we will try to understand how this circuit will act as. So for that I will write it is A and B and it is C. So we have to draw the truth table. So I will write first 1 and after the 0 will see. So 1 means here it is positive and here also it is positive. So now try to understand this diode. For this D1, N will be here and P will be here. For this D2, N will be here, P will be here. So here it is negative polarity and it is positive. And here it is negative polarity and it is positive. So here it is connected in reverse bias condition. When it is connected in reverse bias condition, we know in reverse bias condition there will be no flow of current. So here there is no current. I is equal to 0 here. When I is equal to 0, we know I is equal to 0, V will be maximum. So at C it will be maximum. I will write it is 1. In the similar manner, now it is 0, 0 minimum. So I will write here it is minus and it is minus. If I write it is minus and it is minus, and again here it is N will be there, and these two are in forward bias and these two are in forward bias. When these two are connected in forward bias, so there will be some flow of current. I not equal to 0. So there will be some flow of current. When there is flow of current, here some potential drop will take place. So VC is less than 5 volt. When VC is less than 5 volt, I will write it is minimum value. Minimum is represented by 0. So again, we will use 1 and 0. So here it is positive and it is negative. So here it is positive and here it is N. So it is reverse bias condition. No flow of current here. And it is negative and it is negative. Here it is forward bias condition. Then there will be some current will be there. When there is some current, so here potential drop will be there. So VC value will be minimum. Minimum means it is 0. In the similar manner, the same truth table 1 0 0 means 0 1. Here it will be 0. So this table refers which gate it is? AND gate. So answer will be third one will be the answer. I hope you understood, right? Thank you.